In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a flowchart on Google Slides. By the end, you'll have a clean, easy-to-read diagram you can present or share right from your device. Start by launching Google Slides. Open the presentation you want to work on and then decide where your flowchart will live. You can create a fresh slide for a clean canvas or jump into an existing slide if you're adding the chart to something you already have. A blank layout works best so your shapes and arrows have room to breathe. Next, tap the plus icon at the top and choose Shape. This is where your flowchart begins to take form. To keep things clear and familiar, use standard flowchart shapes. Pick the oval for your start and end points. This is often called the terminator, and it clearly signals where your process begins and finishes. Use a rectangle for each regular step or action. Then, when you need to show a choice that leads to different paths, insert a diamond for a decision point. Sticking to these conventions makes your chart instantly understandable to anyone who reads it. As you place shapes, keep them aligned in a simple top-to-bottom or left-to-right flow. Here's a time saver. Once you size a shape the way you like it, tap it, copy it, and then long press on the slide to paste duplicates. Reusing the same box ensures everything stays consistent and tidy. When you're ready to add more shapes, tap Insert again and select Shape to continue building out each step. Then it's time to show how everything connects. Choose arrows and drag from one shape to another to indicate the direction of the process. Keep your arrows straight and uncluttered, and make sure they point clearly into the next shape. If you're leaving a decision diamond, place one arrow for each possible outcome so the path is obvious at a glance. Now, label your chart. Double tap inside any shape to bring up the keyboard and type your text. Keep labels short and action-oriented, like Receive Request, Review, or Approve. Clear text helps people follow the logic without guessing. Finally, tap the A icon at the top to adjust the look of your text. Increase the font size so it's legible from a distance, and center the text within each box for a polished, balanced feel. A few consistent formatting choices go a long way toward a professional result. That's it. You've launched slides, opened your deck, built the shapes, connected them with arrows, and formatted the text for clarity. Your flowchart is ready to present.